Very sad vlog today. So I made a video on putting on the ISR arms, and last night I was editing it. I finished the whole video and my MacBook needed room, so I started deleting stuff, like things that I didn't need. And then out of nowhere I accidentally deleted and emptied my trash can that had the original footage of the vlog that I did for these arms, and now the footage is gone. So I have no video of doing the ISR arms, and I really wanted to do a video of putting everything together. I put everything together in that video except for the bushing. But yeah, we have ISR arms. We put them on the subframe already, so I'll show you guys since that vlog is gone. I was gonna have 2 vlogs this weekend, but I'm only gonna have 1 now. But anyways, let me show you guys the ISR arms. And it was so pretty. I had good cinematics of everything. But yeah, it's upside down for a reason. I think I put it upside down just to leave it like that. But yeah, so we installed the arms, the knuckles, pretty much it. But I'm so sad that that video is deleted. I'm still trying to figure out a way to get that video back. If I could get it back, I will upload it so you guys can go watch that. If I do have it back up, then I'll have a link somewhere around here. Go watch it. It was a short video, but it was just putting the arms on and stuff like that. All right, guys, so today we are finally putting the diff in, and with GK Tech's conversion, they're nothing but bushings. This bushing set will let you put a 350z Diff on your S14. If you want to go a step further, because when you put this diff on, your diff sits a little lower than the S14. So if you're like want to be low and all that shit, you will scrape your diff. I just want to let y'all know. I am not cutting my diff. I won't be slamming my car. It would be at a good height. It won't be nothing crazy. But let me explain why they do this. Because the lower part of the diff, either this end or this bottom end right here, once you have it on your subframe, it sits lower. It sits lower. And basically, if you're slammed, you low to the ground, you will be cutting your diff. There's videos of people actually cutting this out and shortening it, but I won't be doing that. I have no reason to do that. After that, once we have the diff on, I will be talking about what are we gonna be doing with the drive shaft. Videos of people actually using this drive shaft. People using this drive shaft and taking off the flange and putting this flange that you can buy for like 50 bucks to actually just bolts right onto the flange of the diff. But there's also videos of people actually just drilling into it and then bolting up the drive shaft. So I'll probably be just drilling into it and bolting up the drive shaft, but I want to make sure the drive shaft actually fits and is long enough to bolt up to the 350z Diff. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's vlog. It's going to be a pain in the ass. Hopefully it's not. All right, let's just say this is a pain in the ass to do. I think it's worse than those over there. This fucker's fucking heavy. What I did is I burned the bushing out. Once I did that, there's a lip that I cut. I cut in 4 splits, and then I just started banging it out. Well, I started banging them on each end, and then I started banging it from the outside, and then it started to come out a little different. But we'll see what happens. Oh man, this is just a pain in the ass to do, but it has to be done. I guess it was easier the other way, guys. So flip it upside down and then bang it from that side, and that's how it came out. The other one was pretty crucial. I think it's a little, the other one's thicker. So what I did is I cut slits on it and then started banging it from the outside, well, from the other side, banging it in, and then once I had more slits on it, I started banging it up, and then I flipped the diff upside down, and then I started banging it on the side, and then that side came off. That's for the thicker side. The side that isn't as thick is super easy to get out. Just banging it from the other side and it'll come out. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean the inside of it with the brush. Get it all nice and smooth so the bushings can go in. Your bushings, so I'm assuming this is the top part, and they wiggle in like that, and they go in, and that's pretty much it. You can move them, adjust them. You're gonna adjust them to the same way the subframe is, so they'll probably be like this, most likely. One more thing I need to do with this diff is actually just clean it up a little bit, put some RTV on for the face of it so it can stick together. And then after that, after I get that done, then we're gonna start putting the bushing, the diff bushing that actually goes onto the subframe. Some YouTube magic. So it's gonna be this one. It's gonna go in here. It's upside down, but I know which way it goes. But I don't know if it turns because this is gonna be kind of hard. Oops. I know you can freeze these and it makes it easier to push them in like we did with these. I froze these and I just slammed them in. So I could probably do the same thing, but I smoothed it out just a little bit. Maybe it'll go in. Not 100% sure. I need to smooth that up right there. Harder than I thought. I recommend you guys actually freezing it just like I did with these. It's all right, it has little dents in it, but we're gonna mount the diff onto it, go from there and see. Hopefully everything goes right. Now I'm gonna torque these down, make sure everything is good on this, and we'll go from there. All right, it's time to put the subframe in there. So YouTube magic. All right, now it's in. After 5, 6, 7,000 hours, let's throw these bad boys in. Dude, my knees are beat up. Anyways. All right, axles are on. Now time to put the arms and the hubs. Oh man, I'm so tired. All right, it's the next day. Oh man, the sun's out. The sun's hitting hard. Okay, there we go. All right, it's the next day. Where did I leave off? Okay, I put the arms on and everything. The arms on this side are on. I just got done cutting the backing plate, so that's why I have all that stuff there. They're over there. I had to paint them so they won't rust on the edges. And on this side, I need to put the arms back on, so now everything's all in. Everything has finally came in. Oh man, I was getting confused on these axles. I didn't know which one was which, but shorter side will be on the driver's side, and then the longer side will be on the passenger side. Z30. What the hell is he over there?
Camber thing.
Oh, he's checking the camera. We still gotta adjust it. But dang, crazy. All right, so I'm gonna put a clip up somewhere around here of me putting the ISR solid bushings, because the YouTube video that was supposed to come out for this video got deleted. So here goes. So you're gonna get the ones without the indentation inside, which are these. These will go on the bottom, these will go on top. You go straight in like that. And then what I'm gonna do is get a block of wood. And just like that, it's in. There's no gaps all the way around. You can literally just tap around and to seal it just in case. But that's pretty much it, guys. So the bottom ones, I was scared to hit them. I don't know why. I was just scared, but don't be scared. Just hit them in. Just hit them straight in the middle or a wooden block, and then you can start hitting them in. Hitting them like side to side to get it wiggled in. They went in pretty smooth, and once you figure that out, dude, they're going in like cake. So guys, when you're doing those bushings, just take your time, be patient, and just start smacking it in, and they'll eventually go. One good tip is to leave them in ice. Leave them in ice for a day, and they should go in like that. It didn't take that long. For me, it took about 20 minutes to bang them in, and that was pretty much it. All right, guys, that'll be the end of today's video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out